I can do one thing as an artist, what I'd like to do is just look with such intensity and paint with such care and love that it in some small way might transform your experience.
It's important to basically keep track of your income and your expenses so that you know what your profit is, so that you know what your taxes are, so that you can pay the right amount so you don't get that big, terrible bill.
This show is designed for the big vision creators, artists, designers, freelancers, and purple-haired punk rock weirdos. To answer the question, if you had your taxes, retirement, and investing on lock, how big of an impact could you make on the world with your creative work?